In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from TradingView to Excel. If you've ever wanted to analyze your charts in a spreadsheet, build a backtest, or share clean data sets with teammates, exporting from TradingView makes that quick and reliable. Before we begin, make sure you're looking at the exact symbol and time frame you want. The export will reflect whatever's on your chart at that moment, so if you need 5-minute bars, daily candles, or a specific market, set that up first. Also, be aware that some features may depend on your account plan, and the amount of data you can export can vary by symbol, time frame, and plan limits. Start by moving to the top right area of your chart. Look for the small drop-down menu icon there, the one that opens extra chart options. Click that drop-down to reveal additional actions related to your current chart. This is where TradingView keeps tools that aren't always front and center, but are essential for tasks like exporting. From the menu that appears, choose Download Chart Data. This tells TradingView you want to grab the raw bar data that underlies what you're seeing, typically time, open, high, low, close, and volume. Selecting this option will bring up a simple prompt confirming what you're about to export. If you've adjusted your chart's time zone or your session settings, remember that the timestamps in your exported file will follow those chart settings, which helps keep your spreadsheet analysis consistent. When the prompt appears, go ahead and click Download. TradingView will prepare a CSV file, which is a plain text format that Excel reads natively. The file will usually save to your browser's default Downloads folder. Once it's there, you can open it directly in Excel. If Excel doesn't open it automatically, just launch Excel and open the CSV like any other file. You should see tidy columns for timestamps, price data, and volume that align with the time frame you selected on your chart. A couple of quick tips to make the most of the export. Rename the file with the symbol, time frame, and date range so you can find it later. If you plan to create formulas or pivot tables, save a working copy as an Excel workbook after opening the CSV. And if your timestamps look off, double-check your chart's time zone and your computer's regional settings, then export again for consistency. That's all there is to it. Click the top right drop-down, choose Download Chart Data, and then confirm with Download. In just a few seconds, you'll have clean TradingView data ready to analyze in Excel.